What's next on the agenda, Mr. Spence?
I didn't even do that intentionally that time.
I'm used to it now.
It's good to slide on, but they're all dry shafts. I'm only, literally, I wouldn't even, it was like,
Yeah. I'm presuming if you did it on a press, it would kind of...
if you do it on a press, you've got issues with splines.
Yeah, I was going to say, it will twist and I'm presuming just dig right in. Alright, Idiot's Guide, what is it?
Links and V-joints. They're lovely ones.
Nice. I love to pull out.
Today's a nice interesting day. We've got an old petrol engine coming out and a new turbo diesel going in. Yes, someone's going for reliable and economy. We can serve it.
So what are we preparing for, Alex?
Going to weld in a return bung on the fuel tank. Fuel system, yo! Still warm.
So what are the rubber hoses for?
Just so that we can effectively blank or, join the two together, the two fittings, so that we can fill the tank with water and test our very pretty welds for leaks. So I've got a Jubilee clip right now, fill it with water, if anything leaks out right here, we know where to on that long. Very nice. I'm Wayne Penrose from Wayne Penrose Volkswagen in Australia, and been a classic air-cooled VW specialist for 40 years. I'll be turning 60 shortly when I get back to Australia, and I still feel like a teenager playing with these old air-cooled VWs. I have my own business in North Nowra, New South Wales, for Wayne Penrose Volkswagen Proprietary Limited, and we have a
quite a good team of 9 VW race cars. So we do everything from drag racing to hill climbing and a bit of circuit. Used to do speedway, and we thoroughly enjoy our air-cooled VW motorsport. Our Facebook business page is Wayne Penrose Volkswagen Proprietary Limited, and it's only really the Facebook, and I also have a YouTube channel.
You do?
Which is
Awesome.
WPVW Australia, and there's about 300 odd videos on there from the 1980s to now. Yeah, and a lot of in-car footage of our race cars too. Actually, there's some really good footage in there of speedway days when we raced our VW Superbug against Ford Falcons and Commodores, and the footage is them trying to catch us in the VW, and it was bloody great.
Thanks for that.
No worries at all, man. Ran town in it beautifully.
Hopefully now, this should be the solver of all our issues. Manual, 148 PSI. It's not calibrated, which we know, that's fine. That's another problem. It's off. That's not, man. Yeah.
Oh, that'll be hot, by the way.